హౌస్ఫుల్ కలెక్షన్స్ తో దూసుకుపోతున్న మూవీ రంగ్ డే.
అందరికీ నమస్కారం. బిగ్ బాస్ తర్వాత ఇది నా ఫస్ట్ పెద్ద రిలీజ్. నేను ఈ రిలీజ్ కోసం ఆల్మోస్ట్ ఒక 2 years నుంచి వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నాను. మయాంక్ చెప్పినట్టు ఆ గ్రాఫ్ పైకి వెళ్తుంది, కిందికి వెళ్తుంది, మాలో టెన్షన్ పెరుగుతుంది. ఆ సినిమా ఎప్పుడు కంప్లీట్ అవుతుంది, ఎప్పుడు సినిమా థియేటర్లో రాబోతుందని చాలా టెన్షన్ ఉండే. ఫైనలీ ద మూవీస్ గెటింగ్ రిలీజ్ ఆన్ ద 2nd of April. ప్రతి ఒక్క యాక్టర్కి ఆ ఒక ఫ్రైడే కోసం ఎదురు చూస్తూ ఉంటారు, ఫర్ దట్ ఫ్రైడే ఇన్ హిస్ లైఫ్. ఐ హోప్ దట్ April 2nd is that Friday in my life which will take me to another level. And I would end by thanking Nag sir for giving me this movie, Solomon sir for agreeing it, and Niranjan sir, Anvesh sir and Pasha sir. Thank you. Okay, I'm done.
Inshallah, God bless. God bless. Well, I want this the fit Wild Dog team to be on the stage. ఎందుకంటే వీళ్ళు ఇంత ఫిట్గా మనకి తెరపై కనిపించాలి అంటే డైరెక్టర్స్ విజన్ ఒకటే సరిపోదు. వాళ్ళని అలా ఫిట్గా ఫైట్లు చేయించే ఒక స్టంట్ డైరెక్టర్ కూడా కావాలి. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ శ్యామ్ కౌశల్ గారు. మే ఐ వెల్కమ్ అవర్ స్టంట్ డైరెక్టర్ శ్యామ్ కౌశల్ గారు ఆన్ టు ద స్టేజ్. వీళ్ళందరూ తాట తీసుంటుంటారు ఈయన. అలీ వీళ్ళందరూ తాట తీసారా అంటున్నా, అందరినీ చింకి చేట చేశారా అంటున్నాను. वेलकम सर. सो इन सबके साथ आपने क्या करवाया. एंड ये विजय वर्मा जी जो है हमारे किंग नागार्जुना, उनका स्पिरिट कैसा था? हाउ वाज वर्किंग विथ हिम एंड द यंग टीम?
See, whatever as technicians we think and conceive, Solomon as a director, me as an action director, it is the actors who bring it to the screen.
Exactly,
they
sir.
create energy, they put energy into it. And I still remember, because this terrain is not a friendly terrain where we were shooting. Weather was not friendly when we were shooting. And first we went there about 10 days ago before we started the shoot. We had recce of the whole location. We designed the sequences without getting afraid ke how we will achieve it. Just we went wild. We thought we will shoot at this place, then without thinking how we are going to achieve. Then the second step was to achieve it. And everything dependent Nag sir, this team. And I can't forget that thing when I met Nag sir for the first time. He came out of the car. The way we met, the energy he generated, it is amazing. I will live my life with that energy. And he used to inspire. I just tell you one example. I was rehearsing some.
Sir, you're telling us an interesting thing. Mike, thoda samne.
Okay. I was rehearsing one stunt with my stunt team. He was to slide down the hill. It was stones and this thing. Somewhere I was just scared whether I should ask him. He will give the shot or not. So first, let me fine tune it with my stunt guy. He saw it from somewhere. So I was just doing the rehearsal. He came. I will do it. Solomon is the witness. So he did not give me the chance to ask him whether he will do it or not. He just came and, I will do it. I will do it. That gave me so much confidence. And this team, they gave their 100%. For one thing, this film will always be special to me. I work on so many projects. First, I became a stuntman in 1980. Now it is 2021. It has been 40 years I have been working. And, and 31 years as an action director. But first time in my life, God has been very kind. He has been giving me work continuously. So first time for 7 months in lockdown period, I was sitting at home doing nothing. And this was the first shoot I did. You can't imagine, things were bottled up in me. How to seeing the camera after 7 months, being on the set after 7 months, it was maddening. And this film has given me a friend for my life, his younger brother for my life. I can, this is the beauty of this line. We work together, we have friends, we have brothers, and this film has given me this, Nag sir. A dear friend, a dear younger brother.
Wonderful.
I will always remember this film. Thank you, sir. Thank you.
सर आप ये जो बोला है ना सर परफेक्टली बोला है. एक बार जो नाग सर से कोई बात करते हैं ना वो बस उनका ही सच अ
Correct, correct.
the gentlest, the noblest, humblest.
And this young team, really, really, I was blessed to work with them. They were, हाँ sir, we are ready to do. We are ready. I had to think, sir, how to utilize their energy. I was always thinking how to utilize their energy. And Solomon was so clear. And hats off Naranjan sir, Anivesh, because they were so supportive, so forthcoming. Never ever we had to wait for a single thing. Okay, we will do this, we will do this, we will arrange for this. So hats off sir, thank you so much.
Yes sir, thank you so much team. We are looking forward. Second
And
April
it is very, I am habitual of behind the camera. This part is very difficult for me to be in front of the camera. Thank you. Thank
But
you.
you did it well. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much, Team Wild Dog. We shall see you in a while on the stage again. Thank you once again.
Hi, this is Navdeep, and please subscribe to Mirror TV. Thank you.
Hi everyone, please subscribe to Mirrors.
Hi guys, please subscribe Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Pradeep Machraju. Please subscribe to Mirror TV.
And please do subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hi, this is Noorun Sharif. I wish you all Mirror TV viewers subscribe to Mirror TV.
Hello everyone, Namaste. I'm Ankita Maharana. Please like, share, subscribe Mirror TV. Thank you.